So, hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also because energy is fluid. And this is a reading from today till the 21st of July and it is valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story today, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Aries, let's start your reading. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening and their current feelings for you. We have the Star card. Someone is quite optimistic and positive, or they are healing right now. If they are in this healing energy right now, they are in this optimistic energy right now, that everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be sorted sooner or later. Let's clarify the Star card as their feelings for you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here, not mandatory. It's a major arcana, so yeah, let's see. We have the Ace of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Justice card. This person feels like removing all the confusion out of the situation. If there was a third party situation between you guys, now this person is feeling like they should come forward towards you. If not, this person feels like doing the right thing. This person feels like bringing the justice on the table between you and them. This person feels like healing the situation between you and them and pursuing you again. If you were the chaser before, now this person feels like chasing you. They feel like this. They feel like this. Yeah. They feel like opening up their heart chakra fully towards you. Nothing else, no one else. Okay. Strange. They're telling me clearly, like, okay, like a razor sharp kind of a thing. Okay, Anjali, tell Aries, I feel like going towards them and healing the connection with them. And I have my eyes on Aries only right now. Okay, let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? What's your story? Lovers, okay, you have a choice in love. Although you still feel passionate about this person. Might be you're having this on and off passion towards this person, towards this energy. But you still have a decision to make in this direction. Let me clarify the lovers. Like major arcana are coming. Justice, Lovers, and we have the Aquarius Star card as well. So this is something life-changing for both of you. We have the Five of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Nine of Swords, right? There is a decision that you feel like making towards this person. You're quite upset about whatever they did with you, and you're completely feeling blocked in the situation. Either you're feeling blocked in the situation, or you're feeling keeping the situation blocked, even if it is stressing the hell out of you. But you still feel the passion and love towards them from time to time. But you're in this energy of, okay, I gave my best to the situation, it didn't work out, and I can't do anything more about this now. And you're stressed out, very stressed out, beyond words, kind of. So you are in this energy of waiting and watching only, trying to get out of this stressful energy. Let's see what this person wants from you, Aries. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Just give me a second. So many cards coming out. Intention is Empress. Intention is growth and expansion. Intention is giving you the clarity, giving you a clear-cut understanding, clear-cut answer. If they were hiding something for you, if they were secretive or something, now they want to tell you something, reveal the truth. And they want growth and expansion in the situation between you and them. And you seem to be closed off. You're like, nope. Okay. Let's clarify the Empress here. We have the Sun card, the Queen of Pentacles, Two of Wands. This person wants to wait for the right time to approach you with the right kind of energy. This person has a total clarity that they want a happily ever after kind of a deal with you, long-term partnership kind of a deal with you, growth and expansion with you, happiness with you. But they want to wait for the right time to approach you for this kind of deal. Right now, they have their eyes on you only. even if they are married to somebody, even if they are like in a relationship with somebody, they are trying their best to get out of that situation and come towards you. Although I don't see them leaving that situation completely as of now, but they are planning to do that. Yeah, but they want to come towards you with the total clarity whenever they can, right? They want more time right now, some more time, asking for time. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? What's your deal? Magician, you're manifesting something here. You're manifesting here. You are in this energy of, okay, universe, please help me to manifest. Let me clarify what the manifestation is. Let's clarify the Magician here. We have the Page of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Six of Swords. You're manifesting, either you're manifesting a proper communication with this person so that you can get out of the stressful situation and move on completely, or you're manifesting this energy of a proper closure here. Okay, but whatever the case may be, you're manifesting some kind of communication, proper communication with this person, so you can either stay or move on from the situation completely, because right now you're not able to do that. You are on the spiritual path right now, Aries, or the universe is forcing you to sit with yourself, to like work on yourself, to take care of yourself, and it's stressful for you to go through this process, but your higher self know that you're doing the right thing. Your higher self know that they are doing the right thing to make you go in a particular situation alone, in a particular direction alone. You might be in a painful journey right now, but this is making you gold and bold enough to move on. Let's see what's coming towards you. What could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 21st of July? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, a brand new beginning, or might be a brand new lover is coming, because we have two aces. Might be somebody new is entering in your life very, very soon, if you're open to that. Okay, let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. The energy around you is very clear that they want to be with you and they have to do something about it, but they need more time. For some reason, they're like, not right now. Not the right time. Okay. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely, somebody is coming towards you. Somebody is putting in the effort and energy to come towards you with the right kind of energy, with the right kind of mindset. But it is going to take some more time to show up in the 3D world. I don't think it's happening right now, but you are manifesting true love. You are manifesting good energy towards you, and it's coming towards you. For some of you, it's a totally new person is about to enter in your life, and it's going to give you the sense of stability and security and safety very, very soon. I think within the next 8 to 9 days, a major shift is coming in your love life. I don't see somebody like coming towards you straight away with a love offer, of marriage offer, or proposal of marriage or something like that. A situation will start or restart for some of you. So the person that wants more time, they're slowly but surely coming towards you, but they're going to take time to show up in your 3D world in that manner of wanting to have commitment or long-term partnership kind of a deal with you. Maybe they're going to connect with you. If you guys are talking, they're going to, be talking with you on and off, but I don't see major growth happening. But slowly but surely, their plan is to come towards you with the right kind of attitude, with the right kind of energy. But for most of you, I do see new love, new energy entering in your life very, very soon. So it's completely up to you. It's your free will if you want to go towards the new energy or not. But universe is sending somebody new or something totally new, totally fresh energy in your life very, very soon. Like it will start with a friendship kind of a deal, but you will intuitively know that this person and you is going to have a possibility of good future together. The new love, the new person. With the person that might be you're waiting for, they are coming towards you slowly but surely. And whenever they're coming, they are not going to straight away say like, hey, I want to be married to you or something. They will take it slow. And their intention is to go towards that commitment kind of energy. With the new energy also, I do see you are going to sense the potential with the new energy, new person. So yeah, a new lover, a new person is on the cards for you in the coming future. Within the next 8 days, a good shift is coming in your love life. Slowly but surely. Not like boom. Okay, the guidance here is be open to new people, be open to new energies. Even if you're scared, start opening up to new people, new energies. Might be you're going to end up having a friendship kind of a deal with somebody, which is going to help you to move to the next chapter of your life. If you're going to have expectation of only romantic love, only romantic kind of connections, and you are blocked because you feel like, okay, I want only romantic love, only romantic kind of friendship, and you're blocking your energies, then also it's bad for you, Aries. Sometimes we get good friends, sometimes we get good energies around us, you never know, right? So keep yourself open to new energies, new experiences, new kind of goals, and new kind of communications, and new kind of, you know, and experiences basically. Even if it is not going to turn out to be a romantic kind of a deal, might be something you are going to learn something very valuable, or you are going to end up having a good friend by your side. Nobody knows, but the universe wants you to open up to new experiences, to new energies, to new connections, to new kind of friendships kind of things, friendship kind of thing, because the universe is sending you good vibes and good energies towards you. All you have to do is to open up to them. Okay, yeah, remain open and cut this limiting belief that you will never be able to get love in your life, or this or that. Or first of all, start being happy with yourself, start loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and emit that energy to the universe, and then start opening up to other energies, opening up to new experiences, and the universe is going to follow. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. Okay.